Hi there, today I want to show you how to create a Gmail account. What I'm showing you is how to create a personal account. You open a browser and type gmail.com. Allow it to load. So it opens like this. Now you see create an account up here, this blue button. So that's what you create. You can sign in if you already have an account. So you simply scroll to the blue button here and click it. If you scroll down, you notice that the button is also somewhere down. Yeah, so the create button is actually two. One is up and another one is down here. So you can click anyone to start the process of creating a new Gmail account. So when it loads, this is what you have. You have a space to fill in your first name and your surname. So you type in your first name, and type in your surname. Then this is where you type in your username. Your username is a customized name that you use to that will be your email address, like so person at so.com. So in this case it will be so person at gmail.com. You can use letters, and you can also use numbers. When you finish typing your username, that's it, you type the name that you like or you want to use. Then you come down to the password and type your password, your desired password. Now you have to note something. Immediately you leave that username section to your password section, if the name is available, it will not show anything. But if the name is already being used by another person, it will flag it. It will show in red that this name is already in use, meaning that somebody is already using it. So you have to alter it. Once you alter it, come down to the password section. If it doesn't show any red, means that's accepted it. It will also show you some suggestion down here, so you can pick from this one if you don't have anything already in your mind. Now move to the password section. When you come to this password, there are some things you have to consider. For instance, in this instruction, it says you must have cap log. What it simply means, this grammar simply means you must have a capital letter in your password. You must have a number and a special character. So I'm going to type a password, and then you will see the way I type it. In this password, you will see that I'll use capital letter. It can be one. You must have at least one capital letter and at least one number. So you can use capital letter 2 or 3 times, so as many times as you want, but you just have to add a capital letter in your password. So, and a number and a special character. Special character characters like at or underscore or dot, that's full stop. So you type it here and then you repeat it here, then you click next. So we allow it to load, then it goes to the next page. Now this is where you enter your phone number. I'm actually creating this email from Nigeria, and the system has detected that I'm browsing from Nigeria. That's why it's showing a Nigerian flag. So what I have to do is just to type my phone number. So that's what I'll do. So I'll type in my phone number, and click next. And now you must have at least 15 naira in your phone, so that a text message will be sent to you on that phone number. So I'll check my phone. I'll check my phone for the text. It's a 6-digit code. So here it comes. I'll simply enter the code and click verify. Once the code is correct, it will move to the next page. So the next page, in this alternate email, if you have another email you are using, you can enter it here. so that if in case you forget your password, you can use that other email to retrieve this particular account. But if you don't have it, you leave it. That's why it is optional. If you don't have it, you skip. But since I have another email, I'll simply enter the email here. Then I'll put my date of birth. I'll input my date of birth here. Then the next one is the gender. There are 4 options. You can pick from the options available to you. You click next or yes. So that's it. You read the terms and condition, and then you click accept. Yes, I agree. So that's it. That is how to create a new Gmail account. It's quite simple. If you don't understand, you can go through the tutorial again. It's simple and straightforward. Thank you for watching. I'd like you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it. If you have any comments or questions, simply post it on my just post it below this video on my comment section. I will try and respond to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.